Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, at whatever time you'll be watching this beautiful, excellent, awesome, fantastic video. Woo! So today we want to do cross match for December 2025 leadership exam. And just a few rules when you are answering cross match. You don't have to cross with your pen or your ruler as if it is grade 1. You just write the answers in the spaces provided, like the places provided, like on 51 you can see that space. Okay, and then what you do is when you are answering, make sure you read the whole lot of it. Okay, the whole lot of it. Now, since this is a video, we don't have much time to do all that. So I'm just going to give you the answers and you'll be able to go through it appropriately at your own time. So the first section is saying match the types of conflict handling behaviors in column 1 with their definitions in column 2. So before you start answering, you need to read all the options. Okay, you say 51 accommodating, 52 collaborating, 53 competing, 54 avoiding, 55 compromising. Then you go to column 2, you say a search for different grounds of relationship. B, a search for common ground. C, high concern for other people's goals and low concern for relationships. D, a midway solution where conflicting parties are relatively equal in power and have mutually independent goals. E, high concern for personal goals and low concern for relationships. F, the search for mutually satisfactory solution. G, delaying or ignoring the conflict in the hope that over time the conflict situation will resolve. So now that's when you go forward to start searching for the answer. So 51 in this case is C. 52, which is collaborating, is B, which is a search for a common ground. Then 53 is E. 53 competing is E, which is saying high concern for personal goals and low concern for relationships. Then 54 is G, avoiding. G, which is saying delaying or ignoring the conflict in the hope that over time the conflict situation will resolve itself. 55, compromising, is D, which is a midway solution where conflicting parties are relatively equal in power and have mutually independent goals. Okay, so we go to 56 to 60. Won't read everything, but I've shown you what you need to do. So on this one, you say 56, directing. The answer is D, which is communicate and coordinate with people to lead and enthuse them to work effectively together to achieve the organizational goals. 57 is E, which is controlling. 58 is C. 59 is A. 60 is B. We go to the next one, which is saying match the following leadership styles in column 1 with their appropriate stage in column 2. So you read everything in column 1, in column 2, all the options. That's when now you start answering. So 61, democracy is A. 62, which is transformational, is G. 63, which is bureaucracy, is E. 64, which is charismatic, is B. 65, which is autocracy, is C. Then we go to the one for 66. The one for 66, we are saying, peer advocacy is E. 67, which is saying issues-based advocacy, is F. 68, citizen advocacy is D. 69, self-advocacy is B. 70, people-first groups is C. That is how you answer cross match. Bye bye. See you in the next video.